Hi, in this video, I'm going to give my boring, dark hallway between my room and closet a quick update. And I'm going to start by removing the door handles from the doors so that I can paint the doors while they're on the hinge. But I was having the hardest time removing the exterior knob from the interior knob. So I applied a little 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil to the latch assembly and it came right off. Then I proceeded with repainting the doors. Now this hallway is extremely tiny, but I wanted to make an impact. So I found this peel and stick wallpaper that had like this denim-like texture, or the illusion of a denim-like texture. And I love the pattern. So I took a chance and I'm going bold on this one. So to complement the wallpaper, I am changing out my hinges and doorknobs. And this video is made possible with the help of 3-in-1. I'm using the 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil to help with changing out the hinges and the doorknobs. This oil is great for so many things, from cleaning and protecting tools to lubricating hinges, rolling chairs, bikes, and even preventing rust on loosened nuts and bolts. Before I remove the pin from the hinges, I'm applying a little bit of the 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil. Then I'm using a 2-inch nail and tapping the nail on the bottom of the hinge and lifting the pin out of the hinge. After removing the door from the hinge, I'm removing and discarding the old hinge. And I'm using some 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil again to separate the two sides of the new hinge, to make it easier to apply the hinge to the door and inside the doorway. And if you notice, I marked the hinge with an arrow to note where I will be screwing the hinge in place. It is very easy to apply a hinge backwards, but it's really annoying to have to pick the door up and turn the hinges around and redo it again. I know this because I did this maybe more than once. So don't be intimidated by removing the doors and changing out the hinges. It's really simple, and it's all about lining it up and putting the pin back in place and knocking it in with the hammer. And you may also notice that I didn't finish applying the wallpaper to the back wall. Well, that's because I ran out of wallpaper. Why I didn't order 2 rolls at the same time is, I don't know why I didn't do that. But don't do that. You will always need at least 2 rolls of wallpaper because of waste and having to line everything up. So just always remember that when you're doing wallpaper, order a minimum of 2 rolls. And of course, I have to thank the Toolbox Dude for providing the electrical assist. So for the wall art, I am loving the textured plaster minimalist trend, but I'm not willing to pay $300, $400 for a piece. So I'm making my own with a little joint compound and white paint and a plant from my garden to help create texture. So the second roll of wallpaper finally came in a couple of days later, and I was able to finish out the wallpaper. If you notice, I'm using a lot of drywall tools to install the wallpaper. And with the artwork done, my tiny hallway makeover was complete. I love the way it looks, and I wish I would have done this a lot sooner. But I love the way brass hardware pops against the denim-like wallpaper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. And don't be shy, follow us at Toolbox Divas on Facebook and Instagram. Alright guys, till next time.
There. It's right there. Right there.